When you're an automotive or power sports professional, from shop owner to technician and everyone in between, the foundation of your success is based on training. GSP strives to build on that foundation and understands what it takes to stay current with today's technology and the increasingly competitive landscape of these industries. When you're looking for a resource to support every aspect of your business, look no further. Quality-driven training starts here. What is quality-driven training? GSP knows you depend on industry experts to provide you with the latest information regarding all aspects of the industry. GSP's Garage Support Program utilizes this expert input to provide a comprehensive center for automotive and power sports professionals to train, learn, and grow. Quality-driven training helps you learn about products. GSP is a complete undercar solutions provider specializing in suspension, steering, and driveline technology with engineering and development teams who are dedicated to providing OE quality components and making improvements to make your job easier. GSP utilizes OE-driven cataloging and manufacturing for a wide range of aftermarket parts, with worldwide production and distribution teams who remain focused on product availability and coverage. GSP is committed to the importance of improving product management and strives to be the first to market with its latest innovations. And you can learn more about all of this by signing up for the Garage Support Program. Quality-driven training helps you stay current with the latest technology, installation, and diagnostic tips for today's advanced steering, suspension, and driveline systems. Learn about unique and innovative solutions. Learn how GSP's products can benefit shop efficiency and tie into your daily routine. Represented by technical articles, product information sheets, online courses, and extensive video content, you can find it all as part of the Garage Support Program. Quality-driven performance, quality-driven training, quality-driven commitment, quality that goes beyond auto parts. This is GSP.
This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Visit our website for more information.